से गुजर के आंधी से उतर के आया जिंदगी पुकार ले जिंदगी सवार दे आया मैं आया बदनाम हुआ था वो नाम दिखा दे दोस्त आगाज किया था अंजाम दिखा दे दोस्त फिर सीने से लगा ले जिंदगी जरा नजर उठा के उड़ा दिखा दे जमीन से फलक हटा दे ओ वीरिया जरा नजर उठा के उड़ा दिखा दे जमीन से फलक हटा दे ओ वीरिया तगड़े आए तगड़े ढड्डे सूरमा सोने आए सोने सड्डे सूरमा तगड़े आए तगड़े ढड्डे सूरमा सोने आए सोने सड्डे सूरमा
Hello everyone, we have today with us Mr. Harinder Singh all the way from India, and as you know he is now the head coach for the USA hockey team as well. Welcome sir to You India TV with me Jasleen Khanuja, and it was so exciting to see you teaching the Tracy kids the basics of hockey. How's the feel in US?
I think first of all, I'd like to thank the Tracy, Mark Beckerman, Mr. Manjeet Singh, Mr. Emery Agarwal, Mr. Vijay, who has organized this tournament, and also the clinic for the kids. It's exciting, and I think the numbers of which more than 100 kids that they have come over here, that show how much they are excited to learn the hockey. And I'm pleased to see so many kids, they're coming and playing the hockey, and they pick the hockey.
One more thing.
So what's the basic difference that you see in kids learning in India versus kids learning in US?
I think that one thing is there, that the hockey in the blood in Indians, whenever they comes and they try to pick the stakes, the hockey skill is already there, especially dribbling. So the technical word we have to use. Here the kids are not much familiar, but they are, I think they're energetic. They want to keen to learn, especially basics, the passing, receiving and tackling, and which is our emphasis. Most of the Indian kids also here, they know how to dribble, but we try to teach also how to pass and receive and the tackling.
How you have to pass.
From the hook, from the flag.
Blade. And hook. Blade and hook.
So what we said, the concentrate, communication, cooperation. So the third things, we have done the passing, and the second, receiving. The third things is very important for hockey. What is that? Tackling. Maintain the distance when I am tackling. Always maintain the distance when he dribble. So I'll do this one. So one hand, and when he try to protect, I'll go here. So maintain the distance, one hand, jab, but the most important, you should never go on the flat feet and try to jab.
I believe that 2016 was such a remarkable year, especially for India, and you made it remarkable for the Junior World Cup hockey, because we got the success, and I've heard so many stories about you, you know. You have that victory obsession, and you just transform it so seamlessly into victory magic. How do you make it happen?
I think the first of all, the belief. I think that I have the belief of the core group of the players, and they start believing me. And it's always it's not only me and the players. I think the collective. If we talk about the Hockey India, they have done the remarkable job. We talk about the Sports Authority of India. They have really helped me whenever I was there, and that planning. That more important is I believe in the 4 or 5 things. The one is the vision, planning, execution, and the follow by result. And these things come in the process. I think we follow the process through Hockey India, through my some vision and the support of the SAI. I think that's make the difference, and that's why if you see these boys, the 28 boys, the core group are junior, they tasted the victory and they are start performing after that. I think the hockey, Indian hockey is sliding upside and is to continue till I think the 4 or 5 years more.
Singh there. Looks like he's been to temple and made the offerings for the day. taking no chances, the big fella. What a tremendous job he's done with this young side, developing them over the last 2 years. Tremendous contribution by him and his support staff.
In the second half of the semi-final, Solly started well again, great initiative, and the ball comes into the deep. Van Doren came out, he's a long way from goal, the shot comes, and India score first! It is a miracle goal from Gurjant Singh. Lower Van Doren was in no man's land, and Gurjant Singh makes Belgium pay. Really are testing them. Santa Singh into the deep. Gurjant up against a few. Support from Nilakanta Sharma. India into the deep. Simranjit shoots on goal, and India lead 2-0. They couldn't write the script any better if they tried. Simranjit has his third goal of the tournament, and India lead the final 2-0. Ladies and gentlemen, your champions of the Uttar Pradesh Hockey Junior World Cup match, Lucknow 2016, India.
Well, and what a moment for the Indian team. 15 years of wait. This squad was together for more than 2 years. What a moment for Harinder Singh, the coach of the Indian side. Roland Dolmans with them. This is a great day for Indian hockey, Solly. This achievement cannot be overstated.
You've been teaching women's team as well, you know. So you've not left anyone. I think you've taught the juniors, you've been with women, and finally you've been with men. And I think you're the first Indian coach who was selected for men, because at that time, especially, the trend in India was the coach should be a foreign citizen, you know. I don't really believe in that. That is not a mark of excellence. But how did you make it happen for yourself? And what differences did you find in juniors, women's, and men's teams?
So the one thing is the investment. I invest myself to learn the modern hockey. That is the second. I think that kind of support which I receive either from the player, the parent, the Hockey India, the side. I think that every coach in India should receive. The third, I always believe in the self-belief. If I have the self-belief, that's I transform in the players also. So that's one of the things. The player, whenever I used to talk, they never had the self-belief. I try to inject in the self-belief, especially the women's team. If you really invest the women's team, they have a really lot of things to offer to the Indian hockey, and the success rate, if you see, the women's is much more higher than men's. So I think that's one of the things. When I spoke to the team, and especially Rani and his team, I said, you have to believe yourself. In India, the women's makes everything, every house, everything, they take the first decision. And I think that's a self-belief. The players start believing themselves. When this you make, then you make the chemistry between the players and the coaches, and is asking the lot of demand. I demand a lot of things. I always give the players to has to think, and I throw a lot of question, then they have to solve that problem. Once they start solving the problem, the solution is on your table.
काफ़ी बड़ी जीत है ना, कि इससे पहले जो वुमेंस टीम ने वो 2004 में जो दिल्ली में एशिया कप हुआ था उसमें जीता था, और उस टाइम भी बड़े अच्छे प्लेयर्स ने काफ़ी हार्ड वर्क किया है ना, तब भी इंडिया गोल्डन गोल में जीता था फाइनल में। तो काफ़ी अच्छी जीत है, और हमारे लिए स्पेशली इसलिए अच्छी है क्योंकि हम लोग ने पहले एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट चैम्पियन बनना था ताकि हम वर्ल्ड कप के लिए क्वालिफाई कर सकें।
विनिंग एक हैबिट होता है, और अगर आपके अंदर हैबिट वो आ गई तो आपको कोई नहीं हरा सकता। उनको यही समझाने की मैं कोशिश करता था कि हिंदुस्तान में झांसी की रानी पहली बार एक लेडी ने स्वतंत्रता के लिए अपना पताका उठाया था। जेंट्स में इतना दम नहीं था। तो आप लोग किसी से कम नहीं है। आप ऐसा नहीं है कि रिजल्ट के लिए आपको बहुत टाइम है, एक 60 मिनट दिया गया है, 60 मिनट में आपको रिजल्ट लेके आना है, और उस रिजल्ट के लिए अगर आपके पास जुझारू नहीं है तो एग्रेशन चाहिए। एग्रेशन में यस आपका माइंड काम करना चाहिए, आप दिल से मत खेलिए, माइंड को यूज करिए, कहाँ पे क्या करना है और मेरे ख्याल से वो एग्रेशन मैं इनके बॉडी के अंदर देखना चाहता हूँ। जब ये ग्राउंड पे उतरे तो दूसरी टीम को लगे कि एक टीम सामने है जिसको हमें खेलना है।
You're a tough coach, you know, and I've heard you're very disciplinary as well, you know. It's very hard to make it happen, especially if at any point of time the determination goes off. And number two, technology is not always good. It is sometimes bad, you know. You hear too much of the statistics, sometimes you feel depressed. How do you tackle all that?
So that's the timing of the coach has to choose when he has to show the statics. When it's good, always try to share with the player. It's bad, it's always one-to-one, and never try to put him down. Always give him the tools where he has to choose why I am showing, where I am showing, and how I am showing. The other things, I think that one thing is that the discipline makes the lot of things decision making, and I always believe when I am the sports, I am in the field, I should be disciplined myself first. So that example I set for the players, and that's one of the all the players they know when the Harry comes on the pitch, he's 100% want everything, and there is 100%. The players say 100%. What is the we don't have the inch tape we can measure. He has given the 100% is the execution, the focus, and your concentration and playing for the team. That's 100%. I don't believe with the players when they say I want to give 100%. What area you want to give the 100%? That's a question if they want to know, and that's where I think the discipline comes the first, and then you build the other things.
Everyone holds their breath. Stopped well. Harmanpreet sweeps. Harmanpreet scores. India have taken the lead. Well, Gonzalo Payet had 3 attempts and couldn't score. Harmanpreet says, this is how you do it. It's a good overhead again. Finds Dilpreet inside the D. Dilpreet tries to take on the keeper, deflected towards goal, and Mandeep has put it in the back of the goal. Well, it was brilliant play by Dilpreet. He played it across the face of goal in front of Thomas Santiago. Overhead pass, brilliantly controlled by Dilpreet. He then looks up as he spins and plays it across. Mandeep getting ahead of the defender, deflecting it home. Sada celebrates with his 300th game with a victory. Final score, India 2, Argentina 1.
यानी कि अर्जुन की एक आंख और आज भी फोकस उसी पे है। तो गुरुर ब्रह्मा, गुरुर विष्णु, गुरुर देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर साक्षात पर ब्रह्मा, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. We really appreciate all your efforts.
I think you have given me too much of
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. और द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड, he has also received the द्रोणाचार्य
If you
award.
ask me, I don't still deserve the Dronacharya. That's a kind of the government of India. I think the much coaches who have really contributed the Indian hockey, and they contribute on the grassroots level. The national coach should not get the Dronacharya. If tomorrow, if anybody asks, can you return and give someone, I'll definitely like to give, because the Dronacharya was the coach who has really make the raw material in that level, and that's I think the grassroots level the coaches should get more Dronacharya rather than the national coach. And when I received that time also given the statement, and still stand by for that. But yes, I think it's all credit goes to the player. There's so many coaches. Why they only the 16 players making the team? Because they are the special. And I think it's when the players will find the good Arjun, the Drona is always there.
श्री हरेंद्र सिंह खिलाड़ी तथा कोच दोनों के रूप में हॉकी से जुड़े हुए हैं। कोच के रूप में उनके योगदान की वजह से भारतीय हॉकी टीम पुरुष ने राष्ट्रमंडल खेल 2010 में रजत पदक, एशियाई खेल 2010 में कांस्य पदक, सुल्तान अजलान शाह ट्रॉफी में 2009 तथा 2010 दोनों के लिए स्वर्ण पदक जीते। कोचिंग के क्षेत्र में उनकी उत्कृष्ट उपलब्धियों को मान्यता देते हुए श्री हरेंद्र सिंह को वर्ष 2012 के लिए द्रोणाचार्य पुरस्कार प्रदान किया जाता है। श्री हरेंद्र सिंह।
For all the viewers, you must note that Harendra Singh is the only Indian coach who has been able to clear the Masters in Coaching program from the International Institute of Hockey. And how did you make it happen? How did you achieve the FIH title?
When I left, I was dropped from the Indian team. That was, I have taken the oath. I want to be the coach. Whatever happened with me, I don't want to happen with any players. The way I was dropped from the team, and that was my determination. I went in the France, thanks to Tony uncle, Ashley Fernandez. They really helped me. I was not in financially position to where I can pay my hotel bills and the flight. They have paid everything, and I think that I was determined to get the FIH coaching and coach my Indian coaches, because it's not the one Harinder. I want to see thousands of Harinder working on the grassroots level. So lakhs of the Indian players can be like Simranjit, Manpreet, Harmanpreet, this kind of thing. So it's a process, and that's what one of my dream, and this dream comes true when the 2014 World Cup I was honored with the FIH master coach, and that's an honor, and that's not less than the Taya Vikram, Siegfried and the Barry Dancer. So I'm fortunate to have that, but I like to see other coaches, the Indian coaches, who coming forward and taking this coaching classes, FIH really serious, and make the Indian team as a formidable team, not for the 1 or 2 tournaments, for the decades of decades.
Very well said. But last but not the least, I would like to go to Shah Rukh Khan, who made Chak De India, and he inspired so many people. You are a real life hero, and you have also played with Shah Rukh Khan during your school days. How do you relate your chemistry with Shah Rukh, and how did you like Chak De India?
I have met only once actually, that one of the Sahara function, and I told him, and I think I like that guy. The day I met in the Connaught Place Hanuman Mandir, he used to come, and Jugal Kishore Sharma and his son is Naval Kishore Sharma. They used to play in front of that, and I also party of that. That time I was not a hockey player at all, but I was playing. But I never thought in my back of the mind, this gentleman is going to make the world such a famous hero and icon. And I really like that guy, because I think that Shah Rukh Khan, the way he put each and every character and real character. As a coach, I have also learned a lot of things, and I think the Shah Rukh for me is one of the, I think, always follow how to keep yourself while showing in the publicly. If you see his dress up, the way he speaks, the way he carry, I think that's a remarkable. He's an icon for himself, and I learned also like Dhanraj Pillai. He always an icon for the dress up, how he speaks. So that also I always carry in the cinema fraternity. I like that Amitabh Ji, the way he carry himself, and following the Shah Rukh Khan, because he's I think the one who inspired the billions of youth, where this generation I comes.
But I'm a captain of a state team.
And I'm the coach of the Indian national women's team. मुझे स्टेट्स के नाम ना सुनाई देते ना दिखाई देते, सिर्फ एक मुल्क का नाम सुनाई देता है, इंडिया। एक बात अच्छी तरह सुन लीजिए और अभी समझ लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं दोबारा नहीं बताऊंगा। इस टीम को सिर्फ वो प्लेयर्स चाहिए जो पहले इंडिया के लिए खेले, इंडिया, फिर अपनी टीम में अपने साथियों को, और उसके बाद भी अगर थोड़ी बहुत जान बच जाए तो अपने।
Chak
43 matches he did play before he became a real coach. I think starting 2008.
Yeah, actually I started in 1998, September 13, 1998, the junior team, and that's the journey start thanks to late KPS Gill Saab. He saw me coaching Indian Lions and he stayed with offer with the national team. I refused. I said, I'm not mentally prepared to take the national team. Rather than I going to work on the junior side, and he was surprised, and where my journey started in fact.
I will ask one simple question, because in US, the role of cheerleaders is really considered to be phenomenal, and especially in the game of cricket, the cheerleader team, they really have a lot of impact on the sentiment of the players. How much it carries significance in the sport of hockey?
Any sports, I think that always any sports is attached to the spectator, the audience, and you have to connect with the audience, and where that sponsor and everything comes, either it's a cheerleader, everything. Sports is a package, how you do the packaging and sell in the market. So hockey, I think, is a beautiful sports which we can sell apart from the global. And I think the FIH and the Hockey India are doing the really wonder. If you see the audience despite of empty stadium in the Olympic, and go and see the TV viewers, is the highest in the world in any sports. That so the hockey is carrying each and every corners. So in that, the cheerleaders and the audience is always connect with these sports, and that is very important for the players, because they love to be watchful eye of the audience, watchful eye of the cheerleaders.
Wonderful, and you have made so many Olympians. I have at least seen at least 20 to 25 Olympians who came to that level of laurel just because of Harinder Singh, and now he's here in USA. So hopefully there'll be many more medals and achievements that the USA team is also dreaming of, because Harinder is here, and we are also excited about that. Any final message to Yo India TV viewers?
I just like thank you in Yo India TV having me over here, and the others also. I like to throw your channel. I like to appeal entire USA fraternity. Come and watch this beautiful sports. The people should remember the USA also is a bronze medalist country in the Olympic in hockey. And that's also started in Los Angeles 1932. When I stepped over here, I came and watched that same stadium. So I request each and every citizen of the USA, please come and support the USA hockey, because there is a lot of depth in this country, and especially the Indians. So I think we have the Indian, Pakistani and the USA citizen, and we can make the wonder. And 2020, who knows? The God is always there. If you sincerely work, you can be the one of the podium.
Thank you so much. That was so inspiring, and look forward to many more gold medalists. We have to be on the top.
Yes, of course. If you think about the Mount Everest, then you can go in the K2. I don't want to think less than that. I always think about the Mount Everest. I want to climb any mountain. I want to climb Mount Everest. I don't want to go and climb the Plateau. So that's my always the target. Think always high.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.